Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage blood donation records, logging each unit a donor gives, where it's stored, and how much was collected, so your stock stays accurate from the moment of donation. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Now select Donation Records to view all the blood donations logged in the system. This opens the area where you can record a new donation or update an existing one. When a donor comes in to give blood, this is where you capture it. Click to start a new donation record. A form opens, ready for the donation details. First, choose the donor who's giving blood. Picking the right person links this donation and the unit it produces straight to their history. Tying the donation to a recent valid screening confirms the unit is cleared and safe before it ever enters your stock. Then set the blood component type from the dropdown, for example, fresh frozen plasma, and the storage location where the unit will be kept, such as your main blood refrigerator. Recording where each unit lives means staff can find it the moment it's needed. Now, click on the volume field and enter the amount collected in milliliters. This ensures your stock figures remain accurate, allowing you to know precisely how much you have. In the Notes field, add any relevant comments or observations about the donation, anything worth flagging for the next person who handles the unit. Now click Create to save the donation. The new record is logged, and your stock updates straight away. And that's a wrap on donation records. You've just learned how to log a blood donation and save its details accurately. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.